Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marjorie, RainbowPlayMaker. I'm so glad you guys are here. In today's video, we're going to be testing out to see which one is better, clear slime or thick and glossy slime to make a butter or a sleigh slime. So we're going to be taking my clear gloss slime and mixing that into some clay, and then we're going to be taking my thick and glossy slime from yesterday's video and mixing that into clay to see which one will have the better results. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you're new, I'm Marjorie, I'm RainbowPlayMaker. Please consider subscribing, turning on notifications, telling a friend about my channel. Hit that like button if you like these types of videos. The more likes we get, the more I know that you would like to see more videos like this on my channel. Let's jump right into the video. Alright, so the clay that I'm going to use throughout this video is the Maddie Ray slime clay. I have not tried this out. I know at one of the events from Slime Bash, they had these on display for you to try out, and I never got around to trying it out, so I was so sad. But Maddie Ray sent me these clays to try out, so I'm so excited to use them in this video. First off, I like the packaging. I like how this was wrapped nicely. They actually sent me this clay a while ago, and sometimes clay can dry up even in the package, but this one is still super moist. I'm going to be quiet for a second so you can hear that sizzle. There's a slight sizzle that is really, really nice. It's a nice quality that this slime clay has. So this is my clear gloss, and it's a little stiff still. I would normally let it sit for probably another week, but the video had to go on. So here we go. I'm going to mix it in with Maddie Ray slime clay and see what happens. So you can see how the clay and the slime coming together was a little bit rippy. I think that's because my clear gloss was a little on the hard side, but the clay definitely deactivated my slime, as you can see here. And I feel like it actually made it a little too sticky. So I'm going to try to add some activator and see what happens there and see if it comes back together. You can see here that it has come back together, and the texture is actually really lovely. It's super creamy and super soft. I'm going to add a little more activator to my hands. I guess the best way to describe it would just be to say super creamy. Definitely super creamy. And I really like it. Who thinks that we should add some color to this slime? I do. What color do you think we should add? Comment quick and let me know. All right, I'm going with orange. Did anyone say orange? This is actually an orange pearl paint. So let's mix this in and see how the slime turns out. I don't think I'd call this slime a butter slime. I would definitely go more with a sleigh slime, a thicky sleigh. Smooth, soft, creamy sleigh slime. So those of you that don't know, a sleigh slime is just a clay mixed with slime. Usually it's equal parts or it's a little less clay, whereas a butter slime would have a little more clay. Or maybe it's just more clay and less slime. I don't know. That's my definition of what I think a sleigh slime is. Correct me in the comments below if I am wrong. I'm loving this orange color. Kind of reminds me of tangerine. All right, now it's time to try the thick and glossy from yesterday's video. If you guys want to see yesterday's video where I made the thick and glossy that I'm about to mix into this clay, then I will have that link down below for you guys so you can go check it out. This is the thick and glossy that I made in yesterday's video. It's on day 2. It did have a little more gloss earlier before I started playing with it. It kind of matted up a bit. So I'm going to add that to the top of my clay and then press it in. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Do you think the thick and glossy will make a nicer slay clay / butter slime, or do you think the clear base slime will make a better one? So again, the clay has deactivated my slime a little bit, and I'm going to go in with some activator just like before so that we can get the texture beautified into a nice creamy clay slay butter. Clay slay butter. I like the ring to that. Clay slay butter. Clay slay butter. Do you think this is a clay, slay, or butter slime? Let me know. Hashtag clay, hashtag butter, hashtag slay, hashtag butter, hashtag clay below. I feel like I want to change the color of this slime, so let's do just that. I'm going in with this purple, it's a little color shifting, purple color shifting paint. And I'm going to mix that in. Hopefully this turns out to be a beautiful color. I think it will. I'm loving this color. I'm loving this slime. The texture is like no other butter clay slay slime that I've ever had the privilege of touching. All I know is that I really like it, and I definitely would recommend trying this mixture together. Let me know in the comments. Let me know down below. Let me know down below. Do you like the clear gloss butter, or do you like the thick and glossy butter? Thick and glossy butter, clear gloss butter. Hashtag clear gloss butter. Hashtag thick and glossy butter. Okay guys, I think that's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you.